Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a unicorn fish. Things you need for this video, it's going to be your paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget that smash that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. Ka-chow! Alright, first thing I'm going to start for our unicorn fish is going to be the eye. So we're going to draw a circle right here and another circle and color that in. Then the whole part of it, the unicorn, the corn sticks out. For me, it looks like a nose. Then we're gonna draw the mouth, then the gills that just go up, a fin, with some lines, then a curved line that goes all the way out here, another one that also goes with it, a line that goes out like this, two ovals with black line in the middle, a kinda spiky line, this rectangle shape-ish thing that curves at the top with more lines in it, the tail, and then some lines. And another rectangle with some lines. So it should look like this. Then to spice it up, add more details. Like some lines. Then outlining. So let's get straight to the outlining. Check out. Now time for your colors. So the first color you're gonna need. Okay, so you're gonna need a dark gray, a darker gray. They look the same, but they're not. I guarantee you. A light gray. Wait, no. These two are the same? Never mind. These two are the same. This is a light gray that you will need. Light blue. A darker blue. And then finally, a teal. Alright, these should be all your colors. Alright, now let's get outlining. Ciao. This is what your unicorn fish should look like when you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.